Hi, today we will discuss the kinematics of uniform motion. This is a fundamental lesson that is highly beneficial for further study in physics. Let's dive in. There is a fly that flies west at a speed of 15 meters per second for 15 seconds. Then it flies east at a speed of 8 meters per second for 8 seconds. Calculate the fly's average velocity and mean speed. To solve this problem, avoid confusion, similar to how flies might seem to move aimlessly, flying west then east. Let's create an illustration for better understanding. First, the fly moves to the west, which we represent by drawing it moving to the left. It travels at a speed of 15 meters per second for 15 seconds. After that, the fly changes direction and moves to the east, depicted by it moving to the right. The speed in this direction is 8 meters per second for 8 seconds. We'll count the flying west part. The distance, symbolized by s, equals speed v. Multiply with time t. It is 15 meters per second. Multiplied by 15 seconds. Then, we get the distance is 225 meters. Then, we count the flying east part. The distance or s equals v multiply with t. We put index 2 for movement to the east. It is 8 meters per second. Multiplied by 8 seconds. The second units can cancel each other too. We get the distance is 84 meters. Now, we are going to calculate the average velocity of that fly. It's important to remember that velocity is a vector quantity, which takes into account the direction of movement. Therefore, the distance traveled should be treated as displacement, which only considers the change in position of an object. In this case, it is s1 minus s2. We divided this displacement with the total travel time, or t1 plus t2. Then it will be 225 meters minus 64 meters divided by 15 seconds plus 8 seconds, or 161 meters divided by 23 seconds. It results in 7 meters per second in the westward direction. Now, we are going to calculate the average speed of that fly. Please remember that speed is a scalar quantity, which disregards the direction of movement. To calculate speed, we sum the distances traveled, s1 plus s2. We add them, because speed only considers the magnitude of the movement. We divided this distance with the total travel time, or t1 plus t2. Then it will be 225 meters, plus 64 meters. Divided by 15 seconds plus 8 seconds. Or 289 meters. Divided by 23 seconds. It results in 12.5 meters per second. In conclusion, through this problem, we can distinguish the distinction between vector quantities and scalar quantities. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of the difference between these two quantities from this problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you in another practice question in our next video.